Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this recap video, I want to give you guys a look at the upcoming schedule for Simpler Futures. We're actually going to a full day schedule as of Monday. We're actually kind of gradually getting into it for the next, 10 days or so. But this is all in Central Time. So we'll be doing pre-market futures with myself, and that's always been the case. Neil Yeager is going to take you guys through the open. A lot of good day trading, a lot of good intraday. You know, if you like shorter term scalp/momentum trading, if you like seeing the intraday nuances, especially during those first key couple hours of the day, this is a fantastic time to be trading with Neil. David Starr does Elliott Wave Dispatch. He's going to walk you through not just longer term plays, but he's also Mr. Voodoo Lines. So if you're a big fan of that kind of analysis, you're going to love the 90-minute dispatch with David. We're going to do a 15-minute blue chip Bitcoin brief, because one of the things that I believe is going to continue to occur with the maturation of the cryptocurrency markets we're going to find a very natural trading range, and that's not bad for crypto. It's not bad for the crypto futures, Bitcoin. It's actually great for traders like myself and looking at shorter term time frame moves and taking advantage of what is now probably one of the most affordable times to be able to trade the XBT one coin contract, because at a 66% margin, I have a little bit of horsepower, a little bit of leverage, right? And then at the current price, it's probably the most reasonably priced contract it's been. And when you think about the typical price movement range of Bitcoin, all of a sudden the bang for the buck just got a whole lot better. So I'll be covering that every day in the chat room, a little bit about XBT. And it's a futures contract, so whether you're playing Bitcoin or whether you're playing, say, on the Gemini platform, which is what this currency is based upon, there's some very interesting opportunities on the Gemini exchange and trading this XBT through your futures broker. All right, so we have that. We're going to roll. We're bringing back Simpler Forex, because right now currencies have been fantastic. Today we got fills on the euro, the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, and gold. And gold is absolutely related back to the currency Forex conversation, and we're bringing back Simpler Forex. And this is going to be a session that's absolutely, I think, okay for new Forex traders, because for the first 15 minutes of this 45-minute session, we're going to go over some Forex basics, from building a watch list to understanding currency contrast to even just breaking down which pairs are volatile, not volatile, the daily price movement ranges. And then for 30 minutes, we're going to dive into some trades that I believe are the ones that are the ones we should keep an eye for that day or even for that week. So really excited to bring back Simpler Forex, and that'll be a 45-minute session every day. Sam is going to be doing a basic session every day, a deep dive on a single topic, whether it be 34 EMA wave, like he's done already, Darvis, or whether it be a deep dive into a particular trade that I think is appropriate for this 30-minute session. It's going to be a deep dive into a particular indicator, setup, topic, tool that is really going to become a growing library that new traders can say, you know what, I'm kind of new to Raghee's way of trading or to futures trading, and I need just kind of a really great deep dive explainer. And that's going to be every day, 30 minutes with Sam. He knows my trading tools, he knows my trading style, and it's going to be a great time for those of you that are new to Simpler Futures to kind of build that foundational knowledge. Simpler tech, platform questions, indicator installation, and even hardware questions every day, Simpler tech. And then you'll be trading the close with me. All right, so that's what's coming up this month. Just want to give you guys a sneak peek. And let's talk a little bit about the euro here. So a lot of what's been going on with and the dollar has been played out in the euro and gold. And we have long positions in both. So going into the weekend, I want to show you the value of these Darvis levels in order to manage intraday trades. Notice that we kind of stopped at 2450. 2450 has two different, in fact, let me delete this line. Look at this. Two different levels, three, actually almost four. Four Darvis levels just begging for your attention to say, look, there is importance to this zone. And sure enough, that's exactly where we have continued to exhaust. Notice that this low here plotted much earlier, and if you project those levels forward, you really have what amounts to automated support and resistance on your chart for any symbol in any time frame. For now, this is where our trade in the euro sits, at an unrealized profit of 40 points. We have a 24.10 entry, a 24.90 exit. And when I'm going into the weekend, because this is a popular question, Raghee, how do you know when you want to go into the weekend? Support like this, going into the end of day Friday, makes a huge difference for me. All right, enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week.